Hi everyone, welcome to Cantonese Weekly Words. I'm Olivia, and this week we have the topic, let's see, food. Food, my favorite. Let's see what we have. Ha gao. Ha gao. Ha gao is steamed shrimp dumpling, and it's a very common food in the dim sum category. In a sentence, 我最鍾意嘅點心係蝦餃. My favorite dim sum is steamed shrimp dumpling. That's true. And the next word is 叉燒包. 叉燒包 is steamed barbecue pork bun, or sometimes it is baked, depending on the restaurant. In a sentence, 你一定要試呢度嘅叉燒包，好出名㗎. You have to try the barbecue pork bun here. It's really famous. Next we have 燕窩. 燕窩 is swallow's bird nest. So it's supposed to be really good for women. It has a lot of collagen and vitamins and minerals, I guess. In a sentence, 有人話食燕窩會皮膚滑. Some people say if you eat bird's nest, your skin will become very smooth. I hope so. Next is 雞蛋仔. 雞蛋仔 is a kind of street snack. It's like a waffle, but it's kind of like the, what's it called? It's kind of like the bubble sheet that we pop the bubble sheet, but it's bigger pops. And it is supposed to be crunchy on the outside and chewy on the inside. It's really good. In a sentence, 我中學隔離有一檔雞蛋仔，好好味㗎. There is a food stall that sells 8 waffles next to my high school. They're really good. Next is 燒鵝. 燒鵝 is roast goose. I'm not sure if a lot of countries eat goose. In Cantonese cuisine, we have a lot of roasted poultry, and roasted goose is one of the most famous, and it's very fat and it's very delicious. 燒鵝, in a sentence, 燒鵝好好食，但係都唔可以日日食. Roasted goose is really delicious, but you cannot eat it every day. That's bad for your health. Okay, so that's it for today. Today we talked about food, Hong Kong food, and I'll see you next time at Cantonese Weekly Words. Bye!